Hi, today we're going to learn how to create an account. First, we need to go to app.intelligentrelations.com/sign up. We're going to enter our information, our name, last name. We're going to put our email address, our password, and we're going to select what type of company are we. I'm going to select other and the size. In this case, I'm going to with self-employed. I'm going to select and agree to the terms and conditions and click start. Then the system is going to ask me for more information, my company name, website, spokesperson, and I can add my competitors' websites. This is an optional. Then I go with next. Now the system is going to ask me to enter my credit card details. Here I can review my plan. Right now I'm going to start my trial with the Preston platform yearly annual commitment that is for $795. Or I can go with our month-to-month plan that is $995. I'm going to choose this plan and then I'm going to enter my credit card details. I click create account. The system is going to ask me what's my first goal. I'm going to with start pitching and I can schedule an onboarding call with one of our PR professionals. If you have any questions or get any errors while doing this process, please go to support in our website.